Good morning. Are you David Dartez? And will your client waive the formal reading of the motion? Mr. Dartez, in cause number 22-39677, I have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. Shows that you were placed on probation July 11th of 2022 for the offense of theft of property, a third-degree felony, and that was a 6-year deferred probation. Is that correct? The motion alleges that you violated your probation. Count 1 alleges that you failed to report to the State of Louisiana Community Supervision and Correctional Department March, April, May, June, July, and August of 2024. And is that true or not true? Okay. Count 2 alleges that you failed to report by mail.
Waiving the reading here is procedural, but important. This tells us the defense already knows exactly what's being alleged. No surprises, no delays. This hearing is about consequences, not confusion.
Or online to Jefferson County, Texas, October, November, and December of 2022, January through June of 2023, September of 2023, and then November and December of 2023, and then January through September of 2024. Is that true or not true? Count 3 alleges that you provided a urine sample October 10th of 2024 that tested positive for marijuana. Is that true or not true? Count 4 alleges that you failed to provide verification of performing the community service hours as required. Is that true or not true? Count 5 alleges that you failed to provide verification of completing the theft prevention class. Is that true or not true? And then count 6 alleges that as of October 10th, 2024, you were $650 behind in your fees. Is that true or not true? Did you enter your pleas of true to counts 1 through 6 freely and voluntarily? And because those counts are true. All right, I have here on the tablet some documents that the state's marked as Exhibit Number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Lewis? Do you fully understand them? And you understand if I follow this agreement that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal. And it looks like the agreement is for me to continue you on probation, likely extend, and order that you enter and successfully complete ISF. Which program? And probation's here. Thank you for being here, sir. Is this also what you believe?
Unadjudicated probation is basically a second chance on layaway. There's no conviction yet. But violate the rules, and the court can snap that conviction into place fast. That's what's on the line right now.
Would be appropriate for Mr. Dartez? Okay. And so is that your understanding of the agreement? State tenders number 1. It's admitted any evidence that Mr. Dartez is not competent. Any reason not to go forward today? All right, Mr. Dartez, it looks like everybody is willing to work with you and give you a chance to be successful on this probation. The number 1 thing is you got to show up. You've got to do your reporting online and in person. This looks like you tested positive for marijuana one time, which is obviously we don't want you doing. But we don't know what you're doing if you're not showing up. So in my opinion, you probably were doing that a whole lot more and just not showing up. If you continue to violate and not show up in person, not show up online, test positive again, and you're back in court on a motion to revoke, it's not going to go this smoothly. Do you understand? So I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 1 through 6 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty and revoke your probation, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to continue you on probation. I'm going to extend your probation by 2 years. You didn't show up for a while, so you're going to get more probation. In order that you enter and successfully complete the ISF cognitive track. And then it sounds like some type of aftercare, substance abuse, depending on where he is, would be appropriate. So If he's back here for some reason, JCDI. If not, and he ends up back in Louisiana, some program like that for any type of drug issues. So I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. All right, take advantage of this. All right, good luck to you. You can go back with the bailiff. And you. Good morning, sir. You're Corey Flemings. And Mr. Flemings has 2 cases, 24 DCCR 2144 and 2145, set for trial to begin with jury selection next Monday. What is the announcement?
Judge, we're ready, subject to a ruling on my motion to watch the enhancement portion of the indictment. I would ask which case Mr. Coleman intends to try first.
We intend to try the assault on the police officer, Judge, but on punishment evidence pursuant to our notice of restraining offense of the injury to the disabled person.
And so the enhancement portion wouldn't change anything other than potential punishment.
Yes, it would require you to declare the statute
Oh.
constitutional.
That would be novel for me.
Yes, I figured it was. I have a case pending in the 9th right now.
So I'm. Hold on a second. Let me look at the indictment. Is the enhancement alleged? Yeah. So it's alleged in the indictment. So I would need to.
This is a full sweep. Misreporting, failed drug tests, unpaid fees, skip programs. Any one of these could trigger revocation. Stacked together, it's usually a recipe for jail time. That makes what happens next critical.